This is a consumer unit, also called a breaker box. In this video, I will show you the basic parts you can see on an empty unit. First, we have the enclosure, the box itself. It is the main body that holds everything together. On the front, there is a cover with a lift-up window. This window allows you to see the devices and their labels without removing the entire cover. You simply lift it up to look inside. If we look around the enclosure, we see these pre-indented circles. These are called knockout holes. You knock these out to create openings for cables and wires to enter the unit. When wiring, use glands to protect the cables as they pass through. With the cover removed, we see the inside of the unit. This metal strip running across the middle is the DIN rail. All the devices like circuit breakers, SPDs, MCBs, RCDs, and other protective devices are mounted onto this rail. They simply clip onto the DIN rail and lock into place. This unit is 8-way, that is, it has 8 slots. This means it can take 8 of these singles or 4 of these doubles, or we can also mix and match. Next, we have these 2 terminal bars. This one is the neutral bar, usually marked with the letter N. All the neutral wires from the circuits will be connected here. This one is the earth bar, often marked with the letter E or labeled as earth. All the earth wires from the circuits connect to this bar. The main earthing conductor from the installation also connects here. So in a breaker box, we have the box itself, the front cover with a lift-up window, the knockout holes for cable entry, the DIN rail for mounting devices, and the neutral and earth bars for neutral and earth connections. In a next video, I will show how the protective devices are arranged and connected in a breaker box. See you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.